Welcome to this video on Autodesk Fusion, where we'll have a look at the Emboss feature. It's the perfect tool to add material to a curved surface while following that surface curvature. Here we have a elliptical box and we want to have some text here on this front surface, but not straight extruded onto it. We want it to follow nicely the curvature of that surface. And the perfect tool for that is Emboss. The first task is to write the text on a plane, and I want it to be in front of this ellipse. And let me click Construct Offset Plane. I now want to find the XZ plane, but it is hidden behind this object. That means left long click until you get this menu and then select the plane that you need. And now I can drag it over here. Yeah, there we have our offset plane. We now are going to sketch, create sketch, and then click our new offset plane. And we are going to write a text over there. Let me click over here. It snaps nicely, so that is nice. And well, let's write Fusion. Why not? And the size of the text is 20. Well, it looks good. Let's click OK and then Finish Sketch. To create an emboss, we go to the Create menu, find the emboss icon, and if it is not there, find emboss in the menu. That opens this new emboss menu. We have to select our sketch profile. Well, let's do that. That is done. Then we have to select the face on which we want to emboss this. That is this face. And then we get an option to give it a thickness. It is 4 millimeter over here right now. Well, that sounds good to me. Let's click OK. And let's see what we have now. Yeah, it took some calculation, but there we have it. Let me remove our sketch plane and then we can see that it nicely created this text following exactly following that curve of the ellipse, as we can see. So yeah, that is all very nicely done. There were a couple more options with the tool. Let's edit feature, and that opens the menu again. We see here horizontal, vertical distance and a rotation angle. And we also got a gizmo. Well, that horizontal distance simply means this. We can move our text away from where it started, both horizontally and vertically, so that can sometimes come in handy. And yeah, we can also rotate our text. That is, of course, also a nice. Oh, if I move it this way, it rotates the other way. That is a surprise, but we can live with it as long as we can see what happens. Then there's one other button that we can press. We are now embossing, but we can also deboss, which means we are cutting a hole. Let me click OK and see what we have got now. Well, yeah, we have got a hole. That can, of course, also be interesting sometimes. This is actually all there is to tell about the Emboss feature. It is very useful for cases like this where you want a text on a curved surface. Thank you for watching. Maybe see you back in a future video, and in the meantime, have fun.